Hey, good morning, More Medic One. Let me show you guys how to quickly and easily replace the crank seals on a Stihl 4 mix. The only tool you're going to need is one of these pocket screwdrivers from Stihl. I got hundreds of them, but if you don't have one, they come with new units, and you can go to your dealer and they'll probably just give you a handful of them if you ask them for. If you want some of these, you can order one. There's the part number right there. But what I normally do is I take me a torch and I heat it up and I bend the screwdriver just a little bit right on the tip to make a little crook, and then I bend it into a dog leg right here. First things first, we want to clean this area up really well with some carb cleaner or some brake cleaner. So I'm going to take my little tool I made and I'm going to go right on the lip of the seal, just like that. So basically it's going to be you're just going to kind of cam it down in behind the seal. Now I'm going to take just a big pair of pliers and I'm going to grip the screwdriver, and I'm going to let it rest right there on the gas tank. And I'm just gonna give it a little pry. And the seal goes flying, but we at least got it out. I like to use this little old gasket kit from Stihl, and there is the part number 4180-007-1036 set of gaskets, and everything you need to reseal one of these little 4 mix engines. Now when I install these seals, I like to just use a fender washer. It's pretty good diameter that'll go around this shaft here. And then you can take the nut and then you can start the seal fairly easy. When you do it like this, it's going to start that seal straight and should push it in with ease. Now once it stops is because it's on the shoulder of the crankshaft. So what we're going to have to do is get a little bit larger washer. And once you get your series of washers stacked in there just right, you should just be able to press this seal all the way home. Take that one thicker washer off and then reinstall your fender washer and tighten it up. You don't have to kill it, just snug it. And as you can tell, we went the last few thousandths of an inch that we needed. Alrighty guys, we got the crank seal replaced in the 4 mix Stihl trimmer. Hey, if this content helped you out, and I hope that it did, please give me a thumbs up and smash that subscribe button. And while you're there, click the bell to get all my new videos. Easy peasy if you got the right tools. In this case, you didn't need special tools, just stuff you have laying around the shop, and it works great. Y'all have a good rest of your week. More Medic One.